So let's meet our culinary couples. Now, first up, it's the California restaurateur couple, James Beard nominee, Chef Michael Reed and his wife, Kwini. Then we have Michelin-starred executive chef Adam Sobel and his wife, Jessica. And finally, James Beard Award-winning chef Jonathon Sawyer and his high school sweetheart of 18 years, Amelia. I want you to make, in this 1 hour, I want you to make a date night app and entree with the appetizer due at the 20-minute mark. Can you handle that?
Can you handle it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fantastic. Good news is the couple with the highest combined score at the end of the night wins $15,000.
Lovely.
Guaranteed. Right? Okay, out of the three of you, you two are gonna go first, okay? You are gonna wait 1 minute, then you can go.
Yeah.
We got a lot of time.
Oh, yeah, you will.
Okay.
You drive. The clock's going. Oh, what? Wait, do you take this?
Do we take this?
Okay, I'm gonna make a cocktail.
You want to make a cocktail? All right,
Yeah.
good.
I've been making Dirty Shirley's, which is a vodka-based cocktail.
Crushed tomatoes.
We don't need that. Oh, this way.
You don't need crushed tomatoes for bolo?
We're gonna use Bona Fortuna.
For our date night entree, on the bottom, we have a little peekaboo of some brown butter carrot mash, which is delicious.
2 minutes, chefs. We have 2 minutes left to be plated.
We can start plating, babe.
Okay.
We got to get the pork from the fryer. Oh, yeah, look at that. All right, cutlets are out. We're going to put one of these down on each.
Okay.
And then I'm going to curry, and then we're going to salad.
Okay.
Put them together, kind of on the side. I'm going to herb over top. I put the sauce down. You put the pickles down. And then some lemon zest. It works. Sawyers are done. Ready to present. Ready to present. Sawyer's done.
Peach sauce down first. Grilled quail dead center. And then spoon the crunchy peas and asparagus over it. Every bite, you get a little bit of everything. Sobels are done.
All right, Sobels are finished.
Lay down the crepe taco, lay the duck confit inside.
You got a lot of mint in there yet?
Yeah, I feel like I did.
You need more.
I guess I didn't put enough of herbs into the salad, so he is salading it up and herbing it up.
I did.
All right, we're done.
Okay.
Call it a day.
All right, chefs, while we're judging your apps, please make sure you continue cooking your date night entrees. 40 minutes. Sir Jonathon Sawyer, you're up.
Clear eyes.
Full heart.
Full heart.
Can't lose.
Judges.
Hi.
Here we have a pork katsu cutlet with a Japanese quick curry.
I adore this. It's so funny, you think about pork katsu being heavy. This is so light.
What do you got for us, chef?
We have a fennel, flour, and balsamic marinated grilled quail. A spicy peach puree.
This is incredibly delicious. The cook on the quail is perfect.
Is it okay if I come?
Queenie, you're it.
All
Let's see
right,
it.
cool. Okay. So what we have here is a duck confit taco on a rye crepe.
I think this is the cleanest eat so far. You know, it's all compacted, it's easy, nothing's falling apart.
It's so fresh.
It's a clever play for less than 20 minutes.
All right, we have 20 points available in gameplay, 20 points available in taste, 10 points available in plating for a total of 50. Chefs, I need your attention, please. Stop the clock with a score of 43. Adam and Jessica. With a score of 44. Michael and Kwini. And with a score of 45, Jonathon and Amelia. Congratulations. Hold on a second, chefs. I apologize. I've made a mistake. I just remembered the name of this competition is not Triple G couples, it's 3-course couples. So at the end of the 60 minutes, when you're delivering your entree, you will also deliver a dessert.
Oh my God. Oh God.
Oh my God.
Hi, I'm calling.
We're just gonna flip the Dirty Shirley into a dessert.
Okay.
We're going Shirley Temple creamsicle.
Peach cobbler, baby.
We decide to make peach cobbler.
Your favorite thing to eat, not my favorite thing to make.
Sometimes I'm gonna give them biscuits.
I want to do like a nice dessert that can be done quickly without a lot of cooking involved. Maybe lemon curd.
Okay.
We have a beautiful daughter named Mackenzie. She just turned 6 years old. She wants to be an astronaut, a singer, and a tennis player. Hence the reason why we're on Guys Grocery Games, to be able to afford these very expensive careers she wants to go into.
Chefs, 5 minutes to have the entree and the dessert plated. 5 minutes.
I got some tiny umbrellas, and voila, we have a gorgeous summer cocktail.
Okay, I'm gonna start part of this plate because the asparagus for this entree. I put a couple of asparagus down the middle. Oh, these caramelized ramps are so good. Then a couple of the ramps. Scallops look good. We gotta put down a couple chanterelles. And then finally is that beautiful butter yuzu koshu sauce.
3.5 minutes, 3.5.
Come on, Blast Chiller. Blast Chiller worked?
I don't know.
Looks like it worked to me.
We get Shirley Temple creamsicle, whipped cream plus sorbet.
And the crunchies were a cereal. They tasted like crunch berries.
Beautiful plate.
Loved it.
Let's plate the entree up. So this dish is very simple. I toss the tortellini with the ragu. I spoon it into the bowl, then more Parmesan over the top, and that's it. Lights out.
And for our dessert, some lemon curd. We're going with this angel food cake. We need to get something on the plate, so angel food cake hearts on top of that. Babe!
Creme fraiche.
Creme fraiche.
1 minute, chefs.
Okay, Mr. Reed.
First thing we're gonna do, get this brown butter carrot mash down on a plate. And then we're gonna start slicing our New York strip steak into nice big pieces. And then we're gonna plate 2 nice pan-seared scallops right next to that, and then top it with a little bit of the chanterelle mushrooms.
Now it's the moment of truth. How did these cobblers pan out?
A little bit under, but you know, it is edible.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Yes. Oh my gosh. That was out of control. First up will be Amelia and her husband.
Here we have our date night dinner. This is a glazed scallop.
And then we have a Shirley Temple creamsicle.
There's no negative comment on this dish. Flavor, seasoning, texture, everything.
The dessert, I like the crunchiness of it. I just wish there was a little bit more substance to it because for me, it's more is more is more.
Thank you.
Not to be outdone, Kwini and your chef. Tell us about the dish.
We have a surf and turf for you, New York strip steak, seared diver scallops.
And my first time ever making a peach cobbler.
Michael and Kwini, date night, this is the kind of meal you want to go and get. The dessert, unfortunately, the topping a little underdone.
Oh, I know.
All right, last, definitely not least, Jessica and what's his name? Chef Adam.
When we do date night and I cook for Jess, she loves pasta. Usually I make a ragu. This one is veal and chicken liver.
And then for dessert, we have angel food cake with lemon curd and fresh berries.
This pasta dish is right up my alley. It's beautiful, it's simple, and this dessert. I am really surprised you got something on the plate.
We were too.
I mean, honestly, it's a really balanced dessert.
Hello then. Judges had to combine your score for your entree and your dessert. As we know, Jonathan and Amelia are leading with a point over Michael and Kwini and 2 points over Adam and Jessica. Michael and Kwini, 16 out of 20 gameplay, 16 out of 20 taste, 8 for plating, and a 40 for an 84. Nice score. Adam and Jessica need a 41 or better to take the lead. 16 out of 20 gameplay, 17 in the taste. If you take a 9 in plating, you'll be the lead. 8 in plating for a 41 and a tie at 84. Tie at 84.
I'm happy with that.
Jonathan, Amelia, better than a 39, $15,000 on the table.
Wow.
18 out of 20 in gameplay. 19 in taste. And a 9 in plating for a 46 for a 91.
Wow.
91. Ladies and gentlemen, the Triple G 3-course couples winner. This right here, bro, 7-point win. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.